am Schwoz, and I am here to interview the organs of the digestive system. I will now be interviewing the mouth. Tell me a bit about yourself.
Okay, so basically, I got saliva, and my saliva kills pathogens. Pathogen is a bacterium, virus, or other microorganism. The mouth is responsible for mechanical digestion of food, which means it's broken down into smaller pieces physically. Saliva is also where the breaking down of carbohydrates starts to occur.
Thank you. Now on to our next organ. Who is it again?
I'm esophagus. These are my two best friends. I let bolus travel from the mouth to the stomach. Bolus is chewed up food. And the pericillus squeezes it right on through.
Thank you, esophagus. Now we are going to move on to the stomach.
Okay, so basically, I'm stomach. I'm where food goes to stay for a while. Muscle contractions churns food and makes a mixture called chyme. Then protein is able to be digested. I'm the gallbladder.
I'm the pancreas.
I'm the liver. This is bile, a fluid loaded with lipids and salts.
The pancreas produces hormones that regulate blood sugar levels. The pancreas produces enzymes that help to break down proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. The pancreas produces sodium bicarbonate, a base that quickly neutralizes stomach acid as chyme enters the duodenum.
I'm the gallbladder. I'm where bile is stored.
When there is fat in the duodenum, gallbladder releases bile into it through a duct. When fat globs together, bile breaks it up into smaller pieces, letting the enzymes break down smaller pieces.
Thank you, you three. Now on to the duodenum.
Thank you, Schwoz. I am the duodenum. I'm this. I'm that one right there. I'm not this stomach.
I'm where most digestive enzymes enter the small intestine.
As you can tell by the picture on my face, I'm the first part of the small intestine and where most digestive enzymes enter the small intestine. I'm 10 to 15 inches long.
I'm sure it's part of the small intestine.
Its chyme enters from the stomach and mixes with enzymes and digestive fluids from the pancreas, the liver, and even the lining of the duodenum itself.
Jeepers.
Thank you, duodenum. Now we move on to the small intestine.
Thank you, Schwoz. I'm the small intestine. I'm where most chemical digestion happens in the digestive system. Nutrients are absorbed through the small intestine wall. Bile is made in the liver, sent to the gallbladder, and then goes to the small intestine. As mentioned before, bile breaks down fat in the small intestine.
Thank you, small intestine. Now we move on to the large intestine.
I'm the large intestine. I absorb water as undigestible waste moves through me. A lack of this water absorption can lead to diarrhea, and too much water getting absorbed can lead to severe constipation. Be gone, water! Ironically, I'm actually shorter than the small intestine, but I'm called the large intestine because of my diameter. I'm thicky.
Thank you, large intestine. Now we will be interviewing the anus.
Hi, Schwoz. I'm the anus. Best is through the rectum and then out the anus.
Thank you for letting me interview all of you. I love learning about the digestive and excretory system. I'm very glad that I was part of this project that will hopefully get a 100.
You mean
Go.
Be gone, water. It has Okay, now get this, kiddo. It's called. These are my two best friends. Gregor. Gregor, just don't damage that paper. Jeepers. We really need to work on this.